Yes, question number 1. A plastic box 1.5 meter long, 1.25 meter wide and 65 centimeter deep, okay, is to be made. It is open at the top, okay. Ignoring the thickness of the plastic sheet, determine first you have to find the area of the sheet required for making the box, and second point, the cost of sheet for it is the sheet of 1 meter square is equal to rupees 20. Okay, this is looking like this box. This, it is open from the top. Okay, length is given to you 1.5 meter, like this 1.5 meter. Breadth is given to you this 1.25 meter, and height is given to you 0.65 meter. Okay, what you have to find? You have to find the area of sheet required for making this type of box. Okay, in this box I want this area of 4 sides. I can say it's LSA. Okay, and area of the base. Area of the base in which shape? It is in rectangle. Area of rectangle is what? L into B. Okay, this is area of the base is L into B. And this is LSA of cuboid or LSA of cuboidal box. That is 2 into H in bracket L plus B. Got it? Then we have to put the that all the data is there and get the answer. Come on. L is clearly given 1.5 meter, B is given to you 1.25 meter, and H is 65. I am converting in meter, so this will be 0.65 meter. Okay, now what will be the area of sheet required for making that box, which is open from the top? Area of LSA of the box plus area of the base. Area of LSA means 2 into H. Two into H is what? 0.65. L plus B, it means 1.5, and B is what? 1.25 plus L into B. L is what? 1.5 into 1.25. This is what? 2 into 0.65. This will be 1.3 into, this is 2.75 plus 1.5 plus 1.25. Then what will be? This will be your, if you multiply it, you will get 3.575. And when you multiply these two, which two are? 1.5 plus 1.25, you will get 1.875. After adding, you will get 5.45 meter square. Okay, this is your answer number 1. You can write here answer number 1. And what is the second thing? The cost of sheet for it. What will be the cost of sheet? Cost of sheet. What is the cost of 1 meter square sheet is 20. And how much sheet is required? It is 5.45. When you multiply, you will get rupees 109. This is your answer number 2. Question number 2. The length, breadth and height of a room are 5 meter, 4 meter and 3 meter respectively. One room is there, its length, breadth and height. 3 things are given to you. That is 5 meter, 4 meter and 3 meter. Find the cost of whitewashing walls of the room. 4 walls are there in the room. Okay, you have to find the whitewashing of these 4 walls and the ceiling, that is top, at the rate of rupees 7.50 per meter square. L, B and H, three things are given to you. We know what is the area of whitewashing. On that we have to do whitewashing. That is area of four walls these and area of the ceiling, that is top. Okay, what is area of four walls? 2 into H in bracket L plus B, and that is area of ceiling L into B. Let us put the values. 2 into H. H is what? 3. L plus B, 5 plus 4. It is very clear. L into B is L into B. That is 5 into 4. Then what will come? 3 to the 6. 5 plus 4 is 9. And here is 20. Then 9 6 are 54. Plus 20 you will get here 74 meter square. After that you have to find the cost of whitewashing. Cost of whitewashing. It is given to you per meter square. Cost is given to you 750 into 74. Okay. When you multiply it, you will get 555 rupees. Question number 3. A floor of a rectangular hall has a perimeter 250 meter. The cost of painting the four walls at the rate of 10 per meter square. It is given to you rupees 15,000. Find the height of the hall. You have to find its height. Now come on, what is given to you? First of all, you have given to you 250 meter is perimeter. And what is the rate given to you? Rate is rupees 10 per meter square. What is the rate of 1 meter square is? Rupees 10. And what is the total cost of painting? It is given to you 15,000. What you have to find? Height of the hall. Okay. First of all, we have to find how much area on which we have to paint. Okay. So total amount. In total amount, we have to divide by rate of 1 meter square painting. What is total amount he paid for? That is 15,000. And what is rate of 1 meter square painting is rupees 10. So how much area you will get? That is 1500 0 to 0 cut meter square. Okay. Then you have to find height. This is area of four walls. This is area of four walls here. Then perimeter is clearly given to you 250 meter. And it is height. But one thing I am explaining again. Area of four walls, earlier we have seen 2 into H L plus B. Okay, you can get you can write perimeter into height also. I am explaining you how. Okay, it is 2 into H L plus B. I can write 2 into L plus B into H. This is your perimeter. Okay, perimeter into height. This is one another formula for getting area of four walls. And what will be height? When you divide it, you will get 250. Okay, 25 and the 25, 25, 6. H is equal to 6 meter. This is your answer. Yes, question number 4. The paint in a certain container is sufficient to paint an area which is equal to 9.375 meter square. What is the meaning? You have one container that can paint how much area? 9.375 meter square. How many bricks of dimensions L, B and H is given to you? It can be painted. You have one brick, dimensions are given. How many this type of bricks you can paint it? This you have to find out. You have to find number of bricks. Let number of bricks are n. Number of bricks n. L, B and H is given to you in centimeter. But area which is equal to 9.375 meter square. So you have to convert in centimeter square. So you remove this, you will get 30 down, and in 1 meter it is equal to 100 centimeter. You have 1 meter square. This will be 100 into 100. Then 3 zeros to 3 0 you can cut. then you will get 93750 centimeter square. Okay, now come on. What is area of one brick? I can get area of one brick, but first of all, what is the shape of the brick? The shape of the brick is cuboid, cuboidal shape. What is the area of cuboid is? Area of cuboid is 2 into in bracket LB plus BH plus HL. Again I am explaining you. What is area of cuboid? 2 into in bracket LB plus BH plus HL. Come on, now I am putting the values. 2 into LB. L is 22.5, B is 10. 2 LB plus 10 into 7.5 plus 7.5 into 22.5. If I multiply, then I will get 225. Here if I multiply, I will get 75. And this is your 168.75. Okay. Now then, what will come after multiplying and by 2? This is 1937 centimeter square. This is area of one brick. You have to find number of bricks. How can we get it number of bricks? Number of bricks equal to total area upon area of one brick. N is equal to total area upon area of one brick. Total area is 93750 and this is 937.5. Remove this. Number of bricks are 100. This is the answer.